Very good morning, my dear lovely children. Welcome to today's English class. Today's class, you are going to learn revision of periodical test 2. Okay, so this is the revision for periodical test 2. So, dear children, in this video, we are going to learn important mains for test. Okay, Monday onwards you have test, no? So periodical test too, so that this is the practice for test. So this test you have for 25 marks. Okay, dear children, and within 1 hour you should complete the test. So let's get started, dear children. So first main, here you can see fill in the blanks with the correct singular or plural nouns. Fill in the blanks with the correct singular or plural nouns. So here you can see, dear children, this main is grammar main. Okay, here you can see some sentences are given here. In these sentences, what you have to do, brackets. Here you can see answers also given here. You have to choose the correct answer and write in the correct places. Okay, in this place write the suitable word, noun or plural, singular noun or plural noun. Which one is suitable for this sentence? You have to choose it and write in the place. First one, there is a small brown dash. So here you can see in this sentence you have to focus, dear children. Give a concentrate. There is a. So a means in this sentence a is used, no? So a we are always we are using for singular noun. Okay, na? So there is a singular. So this sentence is in singular form. So mouse or mice. So mouse means singular noun and mice means plural one. So which one is correct? There is a small brown mouse. Okay, dear children, mouse in the garden. Next one, all my. Here in this sentence you can see all means plural. Okay, so all my dash friend or friends. Which one is correct? All means here plural, all my friends. Okay, no, so here not only mentioned one friend. Okay, here all my friends. Friends ಎಲ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, so like friends, so plurals one, so this one is correct. Okay, write in the correct place. Next, there were many dash birds flying in the sky. Which one is correct? Bird or birds? There were many andre ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. Okay, here see many means plural, so plural means birds. Okay, so this one plural, so put tick mark and write in the place neatly. Okay, next, the three for plural. Three is plural, so fox or foxes? Foxes. Okay, the three foxes are playing in the grass. That pink teddy bear is my favorite toy or toys. That pink teddy bear. So teddy bear, singular or plural? Singular. So singular means toy. This one toy is singular, toys plural. Okay, toy singular, toys plural, so toy is the correct one. There are three again, here also three plural words. So child or children plural, child singular, so children is the right answer. There are 3 children in the classroom. Next main, next question. There are seven dash. There are seven dash. So seven plural word. Okay. So seven number of colors in a rainbow. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Seven colors are there in a rainbow. So seven colors. Colors is the right answer. Okay. So this one wrong. Next, all. Again here also you can see all. So all means plural. Okay. So houses. Houses, houses. 12 small dash were flying in the sky. 12 small dash. You can write anything in these places. Okay. Kites also you can write. In the option kottilla. Kite or kites. Okay. 12 small kite or bird also you can write. Okay, children. So 12 small kites were flying in the sky. Next, there were many dash bird or birds. Many. Again, also you can see many plural word. So birds. Okay, now birds were flying in the sky. Next one, next main. So first main over, dear children, grammar main. Okay, any doubt is there means you just ask me in the evening time. Next, circle the common gender nouns in the following sentences. Common gender ge circle ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Simple thing. Okay. Common gender we are using for both male and female. Okay. Both boys and girls we are using the same word. It is called common gender. Here see, our cousins are coming here tomorrow. Here in this sentence you can see circle ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Cousins it may be boy or girl. Okay. Cousins. Next, the doctor also male irbodu female irbodu. So doctor. Okay. Next, teacher. Here see, the doctor is waiting in the hospital. Next one, the teacher asked the student to be quiet. So students also common gender. Next, the artist. Here also artist. Male artist irbodu, otherwise female artist irbodu. Used a lot of bright colors. Next one, the baby is crying. Here baby. Next, here you can see the baby is crying. So baby is a common gender. Next, this I want to be a painter. In this sentence, painter. Okay, it's the common gender. Next, the children are going to the library. Children. Okay, dear children. So common gender. Next main, write the meanings of. Wrapped. First word is wrapped. Giving complete attention. Wrapped means what? Quick attention. Okay. So wrapped means giving complete attention. Okay. Next, dense. Dense means thick. Okay, dense forest. So thick forest anta artha. Next, crush means what? To press something very hard till it breaks down. To press something very hard till it breaks down. Okay, small pieces to press some things okay into very small pieces. Next, twinkle means flashing on and off very quickly. Okay, flashing lights on or off very quickly. Next, diamond means shiny precious stone. Okay, shiny, very costly stone. Wonder, want to know about something. Wonder means what? Want to know about something. Next one, blazing. Blazing means what? Very hot. Blazing, very hot. Tiny, very small. Tiny, very small. Spark, flashing light. Spark, flashing light. Next one, write the opposites of. Write the opposites of young, old. Okay, opposite words. Young opposite word is old. Good, bad. Next one, quick, slow. Enter, exit. Danger, safety. In, out. Light, dark. Next one, down, up. Fat, thin. Far, near. Few, many. Full, empty. Open, close. So dear children, for opposite words, okay, I'll give you given practice 15 words. Okay, full 15 words you have to do practice nicely. Okay dear children, nicely do write and practice repeatedly all the words. Okay, next, write the plurals of. Write the plurals of. So here these words also very simple words. Okay children, so write neatly and practice 5 times each words in your rough book. Write and practice. Friend, friends. Elephant, elephants. Snail, snails. So only add s with these words. Next, is for singular word, are means plural word. This, these. Branch, branches. Child, children. Very simple. Child de REN add ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? So these type of words are called irregular words. Irregular plural words. Next, bird, birds. Bird, birds. Toy, toys. Here you can see only added s. Okay. Toy, toys. Leg, legs. Car, cars. Woman, woman, women. Woman, women. Okay, so 15 words. Plural words, only 12 words are there. Plural words, only 12 words are there. Do practice today itself. Start practice. Okay, so very good children. In this class, you have learnt only 4 mains, dear children. 4 mains only. First main is fill in the blanks with the singular or plural nouns. Correct singular or plural nouns. Second main, circle the common gender nouns in the following sentences. Only common gender nouns ke circle ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So next main, what you have learnt? You learnt the meanings of the difficult words. Okay. Very simple words I have given. Next one, what? Opposite words. Okay, only 15 words are there. Do practice. Okay dear children. Next main, what is that? Plurals word. Okay, plural words. Here 12 words are there. Do practice today itself, dear children. If you have any doubts means message me, I'll answer you. Okay, so see you again in the next class, dear children. Till then, bye. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, dear children. Thank you.